Designed by Sagan Pichota Architecture to blend with the natural terrain, Carmel Valley Residence is a 2 floors contemporary family home. Includes plenty of outdoor space, which placed carefully among old-growth oak trees of Carmel Valley in California. The entrance to the home is grand, with a large, extra-wide set of open-air staircase cuts through the center of the building, leading you up to the main level of the home. The house set within a clearing on a sloped lot in a private community in Carmel Valley, a hilly region in central California dotted with wineries and golf courses. At the top of the stairs where the primary living zones were placed, you become aware that the home is laid out in an L shape and has landscaped outdoor space. Ample glazing throughout the dwelling provides views of the wooded landscape and the valley below. Materials such as concrete, weathered steel, and natural cedar mirror the site's native textural and color palette, while floor-to-ceiling glass completes the building envelope, connecting the tree canopy to the landscape. Just off the guest suite is covered a jacuzzi that is open to the outdoors, with small sitting area. The main living area is on one side of the home with the outdoor spaces and a guest suite on the other. In the other covered outdoor area is a living room with a day bed for lounging. A cutout in the wall perfectly frames an individual tree. Opposite the day bed, there's an fireplace with concrete surround and space for firewood storage. A pathway leads to a fire pit, where homeowners can enjoy the cool evenings while looking up at the night sky. Here's a look at the plan. The residence has a number of sustainable features, including a solar roof, high-efficiency plumbing and LED lighting.